Hello people, welcome back to Mama Joan house where it's hot. And when I said hot, guys, you know what I mean? It's hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Today guys, I'm just doing a little celebration with you guys. You know what guys, it finally come in the mail. My 100 plaque, guys. I don't even take it out of the box yet. I just open it now, guys. So guys, look at it. There it is. My 100k subscriber, guys. It's finally come. And guys, you know that I couldn't get this and do not celebrate it with you guys. I have to celebrate it with you guys. Because guys, this is a milestone for me. And without you guys and Papa Harry here in the mix, I wouldn't even get there. Papa Harry, do not look at me cross-eye. Do not look at me cross-eye. I wouldn't get there. I wasn't even looking at you. Guys, for me and Papa Harry, it's a lot of work, guys. It's a lot of work, and I want to thank you guys for your support, because without you guys, I wouldn't be where I am today.
They are the inspiration for everything what's happening.
Your Papa Harry said, guys, you guys inspire me and him to keep up with foolishness and have fun and entertain you guys. Make me entertain, you understand me? And you know what guys, we not stop entertaining, you know. From when you like the thing, we are going to give it to who know. What you say, Papa Harry?
Oh, you mean the way them talk and them go on, me I tell you, my girl, oh, can't stop.
Guys, Papa Harry read every single comment. When I said every single comment, if I have 1k comment, him read every single one of them, guys. And guys, we thank you so much, and we appreciate everything you do for we. You understand me, guys? Because guys, trust me, as two older people getting...
My girl, talk for yourself. Who tell us to be old?
Okay, but alright. As two younger people, getting in a young people, like as two younger people, guys, getting in a young people thing. I guess we are going to continue with it, and anything you want us to do, we will try and do it for you guys, okay?
And we love you guys, man.
And guys, we love you very, very, very much. You understand? I love to fool around. Papa Harry love to fool around. You understand me, guys? And we will continue do it with you guys support. You understand? Because as I said, we cannot and we wouldn't be able to do it without you guys supporting us. And guys, you get me to the 1k subscriber. Now guys, I'm working for the gold, because after the silver, there's no bronze. There is a gold. You understand me? So you know guys, the way the thing I move still like I move slow. So it's like you're gonna take me, I'm gonna try and make me reach, help me to get to the gold thing. You understand me?
Me know say a fair fault why you know move slow. Because she has said we old, so they will not try to work with we.
No, okay, as of this day, guys, we is 25 years old. So Papa Harry is 25 and me is 25, as you can see. So guys, we need to get to the next milestone, which is the goal. And we need enough to watch the thing, subscribe on the thing, and like the thing. You understand me? So that we can get there, because as I'm not going to stop saying, without you guys, we can't reach where we need to reach. And I really need to get there. You understand? I have lots of things coming on the way. You understand me? So just go and watch the thing, subscribe to the thing, and give me the views so I can get there. What you say, Papa Harry?
Well, the comment them as me say, them things that kind of inspire me to do more, because I find say you guys are enjoy it. The comments them want to make, I make me know like say me is a healer. Like Miss Jesus Christ walking on the world again and healing people, like doing miracles again. So, me love that. If you know, say you guys think of me, talk of me, and my wife. Because when you hear me say me, there is, as my wife said, there's no meeting. No, she did say it's a meeting, but a lie, she tell nothing about some people. There's no meeting. It's an our thing, family thing, all away. So you inspire me, make me can produce pure foolishness for no, because I find say it's like a healing process.
It, guys, is a joy for us to fool around and make you guys have fun, because it's just for fun, guys. And you know what, guys? You know what we are think of doing? We are think of doing some TikTok, because me think it's fun. Because me see some TikTok. I'm watching some TikTok, and I say, Papa Harry, me and you can do some TikTok, you know. Me think it would be fun if me do some TikTok too, you know. And you know, because as we say, we want to do like with the younger people. Them look at, we know we age still, you know, but at the same time, age is just a number.
True,
and we don't really feel that the number there. Although look alright, look arthritis is not the day, but you can't even pay the little arthritis nothing. So we are gonna fund it out.
True.
What you say?
Oh, you mean them not appear fun? Life is joy. Yeah. Life is fun. If you guys don't make it what it is, then you guys going to just fade away. But you have to just enjoy life, relax.
You have to enjoy it, and you have to have it to
go with the flow.
You have to enjoy it to the fullness, because you know what? Life, joy, excitement.
One life. You don't get two chances.
Yes, you have to just enjoy, because you know what? It's what God gave you, and it don't make sense you live boring. You know what I'm saying? You know, you just do things where it make you happy. Even though somebody else might say, Lord, why this a whole money I do this, I think that do this. Yeah. It makes me happy. Yeah. You understand
me? Give me energy.
And it give me energy. You understand me? So I do these things.
Inspiration.
Yes. You know, so
oh no.
This, you know, and I know what you guys looking for. You know? You guys is looking for me to tell Papa Harry to shut the you know what up. But you know what? I am not going to do that today.
Guys, she tell me that like every day. So they coming like when she said because they whatever. You're not coming like nothing to me no more. Me just that's what me do when she said, Harry, Papa Harry, shut the me, I don't care.
As guys, I love you guys very much. Love you guys very much. And without you guys, trust me, I don't know where I would be today. So I want to say again, thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for want to do for me for this little short space of time, because guys, it's not easy, you know. It's not easy because you see, if you set up the camera, it's hard to set up the camera more time, you know, and if you hide it more time, it's really hard to do it, you know. But you know what, we take our own sweet little time and we are doing a little thing, because we are doing it slowly but surely. You understand me? But it's not an easy thing, but we still are doing it same way.
I want to say, me not like camera. Something me hate is camera. Me couldn't sit down in front of the audience, but for the comments and the inspiration and everything where you guys, like, I'm not even afraid again. It's like a joy and a fun for me right now.
Yeah, sometimes I say, Mama Joan, you're not going to make me do a video. I say, Papa Harry, just take a chill pill.
Yeah.
Take a chill pill. You know, and
just take a sleeping pill.
Oh God, anyway, pass me a drink of the sorry layer, guys.
Oh, you mean?
Anyway, guys, this is Mama Joan,
Cyril.
Famous Cyril. You understand me?
I shake it up good before you drink it, you know, because the amount of ingredients where she put in it, when it sit, everything sit to the bottom, or go up top. So you have to shake him and we get the real thing.
So guys, I wish you guys was here to have a glass with me. I wish you guys was here to have a glass with me and to celebrate with me, guys. But guys, this is cheers to you guys for helping me to
everlasting life
to where I am today. Okay, guys?
This is a Cyril I make from last year.
This is last year Cyril.
So now it cure.
And it's still...
It ripe. And it is everything that is nice. You see like oh, Mama Joan nice? Same way as Cyril nice. Remember. Yeah, this wicked, you find out right now.
It's ready, it's well set, you know. Well set.
You know, this is what it is, people. Because it's a blessing from you guys to us. You guys bless us and make us live. You guys keep us heart jumping, just like how we keep your heart jumping. If you get up one man and you feel sad and no watch my video,
just look for your Mama Joan and Papa Harry.
When me get up in the morning and I don't feel like work, I'm gonna read the comments. You guys make me know say, Papa Harry, get up and go do some work. I'm gonna just jump up and go do some work. So you means. So it done.
As we said, you give us, just on this video, yeah? Let me tell you this. Oh, sorry guys. We get 10k likes on this video. I tell you, me and Papa Harry, we go on TikTok and put on some piece of dancing for Uno. Me I tell you.
Dance on TikTok. Who tell us me I go on TikTok go dance?
So what do you think we do on TikTok?
Me don't know about TikTok.
So now yeah, me I tell the people themselves to love the thing, like the thing, and subscribe to the thing and watch the thing, and if them give it 10,000k upon the
Yeah,
thing.
but you never tell me say another
Guys,
dancing thing, honey.
Guys, if you don't love the video,
Dance?
guys, this is what we are gonna do for the fans out there. Guys,
Let me do anything for
like, subscribe, and remember me tell you, Mama Joan and Papa Harry are gonna put on some piece of dance in the on TikTok.
When?
Anytime we get the likes for the people that if we get 10,000 likes from this video, we are gonna do some TikTok.
And dance?
Yeah, TikTok is dancing. All kind of dance. Like them have some music where they say 1 foot down, 1 foot down, and you see the girl that's do the 1 foot, 1 foot, 1 foot, and them get down low. But
Let me can get too low enough. We need them no take the low thing enough.
Got him! Got him!
so guys, as we say, wanna like, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell things of mine so that you don't miss a post when I post. And I said if I get 10,000k upon this video, yeah, me I go up on TikTok, and as them say, you do the rifle shot, rifleman them, and you know like when we see them on TikTok, me and Papa Harry, I go do some. Where I go do? Yeah, you know them really? Yeah, we can give you some of that. A running man, Papa Harry the running man. You know, it's like a running man, I'm gonna do, but we have to do better TikTok than that. Okay?
We will learn, we do anything for you guys. If we have to learn for dance through you guys, we are gonna learn for dance through you guys, cause me's not a dancing man.
I can already dance,
Yes,
I have the moves,
dance.
I have the I can give the ready. I can do all of that, you know. So but before we start doing the TikTok, I need the 10,000 likes on this video here, and then I will teach him when need for now. Okay? Because it's gonna be wicked. Alright guys, so anyway guys, I come to the end of my little celebration, and as I say again, thank you guys for my silver thingy, and guys please get me to my next milestone. I'm going at to 150 now, and my next goal is to have the goal one, which is 1 million. And guys, without I couldn't do it, so just help me reach that milestone guys, and thank you again guys from the bottom of my heart for all the love and support. Okay guys, and I will see you guys in my next video, me and Papa Harry. Okay guys, so bye, toodaloo.